in terms of political landscape or the political issues in the country, thus far there are three major political issues or events that happened the last, I think, 2 weeks. The first one is the impeachment of the Vice President Sara Duterte, and it was actually the House of Representatives who impeached the Vice President. That happened, if I'm not mistaken, in February 5, 2020, February 5, 2025, where 215 members of the House of Representatives signed the impeachment of Sara Duterte. And now the question is, well, they submitted the articles of impeachment in the Senate, and so far as the Senate President is concerned, Senator Escudero, he said that there will not be a trial during the recess because now it's campaign period in relation to the May 2025 election, and that is the pronouncement of the Senate President. But we really don't know if there will be a special session that the president will call. President Marcos will call us in this regard, because if in any case President Marcos will call a special session, then probably the trial in the Senate of the impeachment will proceed.